Put the tool in a vise and remove the weep seal and unscrew the inlet nut. This will allow you to pull out the brass seat and then the high pressure seal. Inspect the brass seat and replace it if you see any chips or erosion. Inspect the high pressure seal and replace it if it is more than 50% consumed or damaged. When replacing the high pressure seal, we recommend that you apply a small amount of grease to the outside surface and O-ring. When installing the brass seat, be sure that the chamfered side is facing up towards the inlet nut. Now look at the fluid level and make sure it covers the wave spring. If there's any water mixed in with the viscous fluid, you'll want to completely disassemble the tool, clean the parts, and replace all of the fluid. This level of maintenance should allow you at least 100 hours of operation. If you have more than 200 hours of operation, or if the tool does not rotate smoothly by hand, it is time for a complete overhaul.